This is another job done by Kirkwood HVAC, another screwed up contractor job. As you can see, the system isn't very level, and the thing is vibrating off the pads. You can see where it's scooted off the pad here, and here it's scooting, and I've temporarily tried to chuck it up to block it up to keep it from falling. And you can also see around this side here where it's almost off the pad, where they didn't level this plastic pad under here. And you can also see over here where I've had to try to block it up also. Right there. And you can see where it's coming off the pads. Right here again, it's about off the pad here. If you look right here, part of the edge of the pad's getting ready to come off. But there again, this is Kirkwood's work. Had nothing but trouble. And if you look at this level here, you'll see to get the bubble in there, you'll see the gap here. I got a finger under the level right here to get it level, and that's the front of it. And here is the side. To get it level, I got to raise it, and I got over an inch, 2 fingers in here to get this level. 2 fingers. Same thing for the other side here. To get it level, I have to raise it, and there again, 2 fingers to get it level. Pretty poor workmanship by Kirkwood HVAC on my Bryant air conditioning system. This is the outside unit for a heat pump, and